Irshad Kamil came up with very funny lyrics, which was very important for the song. But it's a very difficult job because to create a good melody and then write lyrics which are funny as well as melodious was a very tough challenge. And I think the way we were working on this situation, we were not getting any song for almost 3 to 4 months. And Pritam must have made at least 20 tunes before. One day, Irshad Kamil called me and he said, "How do you like the line Zor ka jhatka zoron se laga?" And I said, "Yeah, this is the beginning point." And I called up Pritam and I said, "I like this line. I think there is a thought here, and this thought can be extended and made into a very interesting song."
It's one song which I really think people are going to like it. Like imagine the words. I wonder how they came up with, because I am fed up with my marriage. So it's like जोर का झटका है जोरों से लगा, हाँ लगा, शादी बन गई उम्र कैद की सजा, हाँ सजा, यह उदासी जान की प्यासी, शादी से अच्छा तुम ले लो फांसी. Like I mean, it's a very funny song. A man who is sick with his marriage and wants just everything to become okay, and he sings this kind of a music video kind of song. It's just, I think it was very, very funny and very nice. I've enjoyed the whole.
Zor Ka Jhatka is a very clever song because thematically they're kind of explaining the kind of space we'll get to see in terms of the storyline of the film, the kind of idea behind the film. At the same time, we have shot it kind of a mix of period styling as well as contemporary, familiar to the eye visuals. So I think we kind of try to cover it all in the kind of promotional video to come up for this film, because it does cover present time and the 70s.
I always wanted to have something from the 70s, and in that era in India, Saturday Night Fever was a very big talking point. So I somewhere wanted an association of Saturday Night Fever or some kind of a feel of Saturday Night Fever into this film. And obviously we were never going to copy anything, but some inspiration in terms of styling of costumes and the way it is presented. There is some inspiration of Saturday Night Fever, which to me is one of the most fantastic retro film I have seen.
विपुल जी जो डायरेक्ट प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, मैं फर्स्ट टाइम उनके अंडर प्रोडक्शन या अंडर डायरेक्शन कोरियोग्राफ कर रहा हूँ. तो उन्होंने जब मुझे कहा कि एक गाना है और जोर से झटका, तो मुझे सडनली याद आ गया कि तो एकदम मेरे स्टाइल का गाना है. और गाना सुनते ही मुझे उसमें साइन मूवमेंट या कोरियोग्राफ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. विपुल जी जितना इंटरेस्ट के साथ हर शॉट में, हर चीज़ में उस चीज़ को इन्वॉल्व करके देखते थे, और जब मैं उनको देखता था तो उनके चेहरे पे सडनली एक हल्की स्माइल आती थी. ये करेक्ट है, ये करेक्ट है.
वेरी डिफिकल्ट आई नो. ये पोर्शन ऐसा होता है ना कि आप फास्ट में कर सकते हो, लेकिन गाते हुए इजी चीज़ रोक के करना मुश्किल है, पर आ जाएगा 2-3 मिनट. बट दिस वाज अभी जो एंड में किया अच्छा था.
और पूरा गाना हम लोगों ने टेक्निकल वाइज भी बहुत थोड़ा डिफरेंट पिक्चराइज किया. पूरा गाना स्टडी कैंप है, मतलब आपको इसमें कोई फिक्स शॉट्स नहीं है. पूरा गाना स्टडी कैंप से चल रहा है, जो गाने के ग्रूव को डिमांड करता है. तो मेरे ख्याल से गाना बहुत अच्छा कोरियोग्राफ हुआ है, साइन मूवमेंट अच्छा है, बहुत गणेश आचार्य स्टाइल काइंड ऑफ सॉन्ग है.
There's so much that we all did. I think it was Vipul may have been spoiled for choice in terms of how to edit it and what to retain. Because we did the actual dance moments, we did the fun moments, we did the goofing around moments. So there was a lot that we all had great fun performing to. And Ganesh ji, I think just, he was super excited.
We think the song has a lot of potential. I love the track, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it's going to be a huge success. And the way Ganesh ji shot it, it is looking spectacular right now, and I'm very excited to see the final result. I think there were no steps in the song. It was just a lot of fun. It was just about grooving. It was just about getting your personality out, and that's how music videos should be.
The music video, we all are there in the music video. As you see, everybody's dancing, everybody's having fun. And then I think this song is so good. It's so good. मतलब आप इसे सुनोगे ऐसा नहीं कि हम perform कर रहे हैं तो we are liking it. I think जो भी कोई सुनेगा, and I seriously pray also that this song should be a great hit.
I think it is every man and woman's dream, you know. Zor Ka Jhatka is a concept song. It talks about shadi, and nobody should get married. It's a cynic's approach, but in the heart, every married man or woman wouldn't mind singing this song. Not that people are unhappy with the marriage, but it's a great way of describing the situation of their marriage. In the film, the way the song is placed is very situational, and it was not doing the justice to the popularity of the song or the audio potential of the song. And then we decided to convert this into a music video and give it the color, the power that it has in audio, and that's why it was also done as a music video of the film.
It had a really international feel because there weren't like 20 dancers or 40 dancers behind us, which was also nice because it's a very sort of relaxed way of our personalities coming out. I enjoyed it immensely. All that Ganesh did was put the track on, and he just let us have fun, and I had a lot of fun while shooting My opinion about the music video, I think that it looks fantastic. The song is great. Everyone's done a great job, and I think most importantly with Vipul sort of directing and producing, with Ganesh doing it, with Akshay and Ash and the rest of us in the track, I think it's going to look fabulous.
It has all the potential to be a hit song, especially picturized very well by Ganesh Acharya. He has done the choreography of that song. So looking forward for it.
My opinion is that I love doing it, everyone should love watching it, and I hope it's a huge success.